Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this lecture we will explain what is a generator. So here a JavaScript generator is a special function that does not run completely at once. Okay, run step by step. It's pausing at each yield. Remember where it stops stateful execution, produce value on demand, that is lazy executions. So it is simple thing you have to understand here. Normal function, if you run, then you will see your all the outputs here. But generator here, it is like something different here. Here, the next piece asks me again for more. Okay, if you want more data, then you have to again execute me like this. Okay, this is what most people miss. Generator is basically a function memory plus control system. When pause, it remember current line of execution variable loop state. So when resume, it continue, not the restarts. And where the syntax for it, it is very simple. You see it is like a normal functions. Here it is syntax. That is what. Now we have the syntax for generator function. It is like normal function. Just to be able to difference what. Here you have to put this asterisk, function, then asterisk, and then this is your function's name. You can write anything. Then inside it here, L1, L2, L3. Here, what actually happen internally is here. Const gen my generator. When you call this function, this does not execute the function. Instead, it return a generator object like this one. Here, when you call this, it will return this is object like here. Inside it, next functions. Then here dot got it. Okay, this will return this next functions. So now execution start only. You have to call, that is what, your gen dot next, like that you have to call. Here what we have the function's name here. This is here. You have to const gen is equal to my generators. This is gen, and here this will return the object here like this. And now execution start only when you have to write gen, not here. Here gen dot next functions, this one, got it. And then behind the scene you have to got your value like value 1 done false, then value 2 done false, value 3 done false, value undefined done true, like this. So we have the example for you. What there is a chat app, a typing message like WhatsApp AI chats. Instead of loading all the messages at once, message appear one by one like streaming typing effects. So let me create that things. Here you have to create a function. Your generator function, you must post this asterisk. Then here your function's name. You can write anything. Messages. Then inside it, here let me use. Okay, I have already told you this one. Here return result step by steps. I mean, yes, here if you use general function like normal function, it will return all the your values. Okay, but generator here, that in the next piece ask me again for more data. This one here, for the next piece here you have to ask for the, here suppose here next it is about again yield, then here space, are you there, are you there, then again yield. Here I wanted to tell you something. The next here generator, this is our actually powerful, got it. Then we here you create that function chat, it is equal to chat messages. Then right here console.log chat dot next, got it here. And then dot your values, that is values. So let me check it what results here. So let me see this, and your file name 69, and you see only the high result. Okay, here you got it only high. But what happen if you here use, if you convert into the normal function, here you have to remove this asterisk, and then yield, here you have to remove all that thing. Then you have to just console log, you got your result, at the ones. But in this is generator function. If you want more data, then you have to again ask me. Got it? Something like that. Here's the definitions. Generator. There is the next piece. Ask me again for more. Okay. So again, if you want the next value, here are you there? Then you have to again execute that function. Paste it. Again, if you want more, then again here you have to execute. Then again here, if you want more, you have to again ask. You see. Then again, if you want more data, then you have to again ask me. Okay, now you see here, you are all the data. Okay, so it is very simple. Here is step 1. You see here what? See here, this is your generators. Okay, nothing run yet. But if you write like normal function, then it will be executed function. But here it is nothing run yet. Okay, this is generators. Step 2. You see here chat.next. Here chat.next means here start the execution and stop at first yield. I mean here first yield you have to start. Here is stopped. Even here if you want, you have to, I mean simple thing here. Simple thing what? Copy that console.log and check it here. Chat.next what we have here. You see here it is value high and then false. You know, I hope you want these things. Okay, and then we have to resume your function using chat.next. Then continue for the same point, not from the beginning. Okay, here again, here if you put it, and then in that case, here this will not start from the beginning like hey, then are you there? It will start from where you left. I mean from the second yield. From here, are you there? Then again here, if you call this, then it will be start from third yield. I wanted to tell you some things. Okay, then keep continue until no more yield. So final call, it is chat.next, and you got it your values undefined and truth. Again, if you put it here, then what you got undefined and false. You see undefined. Okay. So here, okay, here we have another example for you. Let me comment all these things. Format document, that is fine. Then we have what? Dynamic generators. So here, now let's make it smart. This is a real world example. This is here. This is here dynamic generators. Let me create a function. Here strict, here you have to use. Then chatbot function, then inside it const name, it is equal to yield. What is your name? Then we have the yield. Side backtick, here you have to write. Here write hello dollar symbols. Name, then here you have to write inside strings. How can I help you today? So let here you have to create a generators. Const bot, it is equal to chat bot, and then here write console.log bot.next execute, and use here your values. What is your name? So this is here, it is dynamic generators. Use here what is your name, this is question mark. Then here again hello, here you have to pass the dynamic values console.log, then bot.next functions. Inside here pass me dot values. Here it is hello, I mean your name. This is here what is your name, hello me. Next it is here how can I help you today. So now next here to copy paste. Let me execute that things and you how can I help you today. Okay, this is dynamic generator. How you can pass in that function your values. So here you can send data back into generator using this one dot me. This is using dot next function. Inside it here you got it your, this is here name, this is your dynamic data. The value become what your name. This is a two-way communications. Okay, so it is very simple. Now we have another example for you. This is here yield deep understandings. Here I think we need to put it. This is like topics here. Okay, here yield, deep understanding. Yield is not just a return. It does pass your function send value out, wait for the next call, resume for the same points. Here functions, then asterisks, numbers, then inside it here it is a yield 1, then yield 2, yield 3. Here right for loop let it is num of this is numbers. Here you will write console.log your num. Okay, important here. Return is ignored, only yield is used here. Let me check it here. See what your yield and 1, 2, 3 is. Okay. Here return is ignored and only yield is used. So it is fine, and we have some function, generator method, next function, return function, throw functions. So it is all about your generators here. Generator turn your code from loading everything into the stream only what the user needed. Good. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.